Hello, welcome to Beauty Kitty Studios. So for this video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Blooming Nails Cuticle Oil I got from Shein. I was pretty excited to see that they have cuticle treatment now. They don't usually have a lot of stuff like this, but I want to zoom in on something for you guys here. For the how to use instructions, it says apply to cheeks, jawline, and forehead as needed, blending out evenly. Okay, I think they may have mixed up the packaging. This is not really intended for your face. This is for your hands and nails. Alright, kind of hard to see, but if you look closely, there's little bits of flowers in there, real flowers. What parts of the flower? I have no idea. It does smell like roses to me. It smells like natural roses. It doesn't have that chemical fragrance a lot of floral perfumes have. This does have a few uses. I use it for my cuticles and nail plates. After I do my nails and before I do my nails, I like to massage this in. It is kind of thick, as in it doesn't really soak in right away. It just sort of sits there and traps in the moisture. And I do like that. There is a trick I want to show you guys in another video, but you can use this to help remove your nails safely. You can rub this around your fake nail if you're trying to get them off and let the oil get under the nail and it'll help break up your adhesive. And I'll show you that in another video. So it does have a few uses. Again, I personally wouldn't use this on my face, but it is nice and light fragrance, so you can use it as a perfume. Like, for example, put a little dab on your wrist. It's not a strong smell and it doesn't last long. But there you go. Quick and easy. I recommend it. I'll get it again. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your support. If you like what you see, please subscribe and follow for more fun videos.
With anyone, I could be with anyone.